Reading your car's operator's manual can help you understand your vehicle and how to operate it safely and efficiently. It can also help you maintain your car and avoid common problems. Here are 5 reasons you should read your car's operator's manual. First off, while your salesperson may have shown you how to use some of the key features of your vehicle, it's easy to forget the information the moment you drive off the lot. Your manual has the information to fill in the gaps and understand the basics of operating your vehicle. Secondly, the manual can help you understand what your car's dashboard icons and warning lights mean and how to address the issues they indicate. One of the most important sections in your manual is the maintenance chapter. Here, you'll learn how to take care of routine jobs like checking the oil, changing the air filter, replacing headlight bulbs, switching windshield wipers, and even how to adjust the headlights. You'll also find a recommended service schedule, including obvious maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations, as well as other things you might not think about. Proper maintenance can help your car last longer and increase its resale value. In addition, the operator's manual can teach you how to use your car's features, such as the climate control, power seats, lights, and radio. You might even discover features you didn't even know your car had. Finally, your manual will also give you a rundown of good driving practices that will help maximize fuel economy and your vehicle's life. And while no one likes to think about having a roadside emergency, we know they can happen. It's better to prepare yourself for the unexpected with instructions for jump-starting your vehicle, operating the hazard lights, and other important information to keep you safe if you find yourself stuck on the side of the road. So there you have it. 5 reasons why cracking open your operator's manual every now and then will help you better understand your vehicle and take to the road knowing you're much better informed than you were yesterday.